No, not like that. Like this. Okay, is this still good? It looks like it's still recording.
It's not gonna stand though.
Yeah, you're right.
We need something else. Something better.
Box of chocolates. I think life is like one of those.
Maybe.
Okay, are we good? I think we're Gucci. So the last time we met like this was last April.
8 eons ago.
I think it was more like 16.
16 eons?
Yeah, 16 million years. Seems about right.
Sounds accurate. It's me and him. Or him and me. Or me.
It's,
Yes.
Yeah, basically.
Why was my name DGG? What did I do?
Because remember it used to be like the Destroyer or whatever, like Dominic the Destroyer?
That's right.
Something like that. I don't know why there's a G at the end.
Dominic Gilmore.
D
When
double...
I get ready to play golf, but we're playing tennis.
No, you could have been D double G. Yeah.
Double DG. Like double gut
I don't know what that is.
How about the Tigger? Best of 3, best of 5.
Best of 5.
Let's go then.
A.
4 bullets. Get yonked.
Zoinks.
You only made me use 1% of my power. Man, that's an old one.
Come on! Right in the middle of the game! How much battery power does this have?
None. Neither of our controllers has battery power.
We're just gonna have to deal with it then.
What do we do?
Where do we get it's connected? I have
What?
full battery!
Excuse, hold up.
Excuse me.
Is it the remote or is it the batteries?
I think it might be the remote. Oh, let's just keep going. Get going.
Zoinks, I used 8% of my power. It was not enough.
So
Okay, well this isn't working. Time for a new strategy.
Resistance is futile. Dang it. Resistance is futile.
Game point.
Try me.
Okay. You want to hear another old meme? I see.
Deuce.
Catch me outside.
Deuce. Dow about hat. You done played yourself.
Congratulations. You played yourself.
If you had swerved like that, you would be at the advantage. Not me. What did I say?
What? This controller's responsive, but it's also not.
Bonkers.
Zoinks! No! That was this
Look at how
close!
weird that one was. Alright, and now I get to serve.
That was a nice one. So how about that airline food? So we just gonna go through and like play all 5 games.
Sure.
There's a nunchuck over there and another one on the floor somewhere. It's a great place, I know. Zoinks!
You shouldn't have hit it. You shouldn't have hit it. You shouldn't have hit it.
I got the point.
So you didn't hit it, which is good. It's smart. I love just imagining like how to actually do this in real life because the guys are going like.
It's like those pictures of tennis players about to hit the ball, and there's like the most focused face ever.
But they go like.
This is Wii Sports. Logic doesn't apply.
I mean, that's fair. But, like, how do you even do...
It just works. Okay? Don't question me. Or else Zepho will come take you.
That was some total trash garbage.
Good game! Hi, Mom.
Start.
Yeet.
Yonk!
Greg Yeet's mammy into the highway.
Yeet yonk, bink bonk. Your homie done got blinky lonked.
Skedaddle skadoodle. Your dog is now mine.
Your points are mine.
Oh, you're already almost winning.
Yonks.
Jeez!
Like, just imagine that, though, because they go,
Yeah.
and they can't even see us doing this, which is wonderful.
It's just like two guys make weird noises while playing Wii Sports.
That should be the name of this.
Yeah. What should the thumbnail be? We need that too.
I don't know. Good one. It should be like a zoom in on one of our, like right there. Or it gotta be a zoom in on one of the faces.
No, we'll just do a photo of a tennis player's face, like one of those. Come on, serve. Yoink!
Sign Scoob!
It's a great Shaggy impression, I know. This usually works.
For some reason. Oh, total baloney right there. There's no
It's pronounced Bologna.
Alright, fine. You want to play that way? You want to play that way? Let's see how this.
Okay, no, I don't want to play that way.
That's what I thought.
Remember? I can't remember. I can't remember.
Just.
I can't remember when it was, but we were playing Just Dance together, and then you, for some reason, decided to choose Careless Whisper. It's your serve. Ah! I wasn't paying attention.
Zoinks! No!
Ha! Your plans have been fooled!
Break point.
Deuce! I love how when you swing, it just. It goes.
No!
Advantage right team.
Right team.
Match point, come on.
Advantage.
Match point.
Right team.
No, you!
No!
Oh! You suck!
2 men in a truck.
When it says 2 men in a truck, but it's 3 men.
The first
Illusion
words
100.
of Jerome K. Jerome's 3 Men in a Boat was, there were 4 of us.
Well, that sucks.
I love how they always just look at the ball in the crowd. Like, the crowd doesn't even try and move. Like, someone's getting bonked in the face right there. Look, the guy in the glasses. Easily bonked right in the face.
I remember I was playing tennis against myself once, and it just kept. Me and myself were deucing literally for like a half hour straight. Meow.
Did you see what I did? Hold up, you gotta see my front up guy. Look at that. Look at what I did. I swear I like dived.
You dive right past it. Okay, bowling.
Okay. Quit. Quiet.
Quiet.
Action.
Silence. This is a library.
Wow.
I got him.
They could see me now. If they could see me now.
Your battery fell out.
Both of them. Look, both of them fell out.
Man, I used to be pro level in this game.
Dude, I used to go into other rooms. Like, my aunt and my mom were reminiscing about this. I used to go into other rooms. I would line up my shot, go into other rooms, and bowl a strike literally every time.
That seems pretty nice.
It was pretty great, and then I got bad at the game and did stuff like that.
I just don't care anymore. My ball used to be shiny with stars on it.
How do I do this again? To be?
Yeah,
Right?
it's not like the summit where you just... and you try to get as many bounces as you can. What if gutters were a thing? Not gutters are a thing, I mean bumpers.
Oh. That's what you call a big ooh. Ow! 5 pins, guys. I got 8 pins, looks like me. I got 8 pins, I didn't. Watch you get
Adam
one.
Sandler?
Adam Bandler ranting on about ranting? Screen rant.
I used to watch that.
I only watch them because of the pitch meetings.
Because of what?
Hold up. You gotta line it up. Line it up.
Close your eyes!
Okay. Alrighty, I'll do it again. This time just...
Ha! Idiot.
I'm gonna do it on the ground now.
Okay, have fun.
I will.
So I'm gonna go all the way over here and pull a twisty.
Pull a twisty.
Come on, register.
Is the controller dead?
No. Look, a gutter ball.
Good leg shot right there. Gutter ball. 0 pins, my man.
Yeah, that's the best score you could possibly get.
It's golf. We play by golf.
No!
Oh! Are you ready, my guys? This is me on the ground trying to play the game. I'm not sure what I did, but I did the same as I've been doing, which is kind of sad.
I'll be on here. Let me go to my old strategy. I used to do it like this. Because whenever it tilted to the right, it got the most amount of pins I could. Except that was... If you had seen the behind the scenes, I stepped on the controller and shook it.
Wee! Don't
Watch
go
that
too
get a
far!
strike. Watch that get a strike.
Oh!
And now I fall. Now the dreaded 7-10 split. Yeah, let's try this again.
Yeah, just ball for me.
Nope. I gotta zoom in. Ready? That's
That's the home menu.
Hold up.
You can do this, I believe.
Dang it! I kept trying, and I gotta hold B. You gotta hold B, so you gotta shrink it this way.
Yeah, we did it! Group effort!
I really wish that was recorded. Alrighty, old strategy, my mans. You ready for this? That's what you call 4 pins. Oh, 6 pins. 4 pins left.
Alrighty. Hello, kitty cat.
Oh, I dropped the battery. Oh, jeez. Oh, whoa. Don't mind me, I only flew to the entirety of the other side of the room.
Okay, let's try this. I didn't expect it to explode.
We lost. No, we didn't. We're good. We're okay. We didn't lose. Oh, well.
Oh, you want to actually do that?
Oh, dear.
Come on, let's go.
Oh, my word. Alright, you ready for this? So what we're going to do. We're going to see what controller. I hope for the best.
Okay, don't. Once I get to the main part, then you can go, okay?
5 pins that time. Bowl me a nice cold one, please.
Oh!
Stomp it. Stomp it. What?
I guess hitting your thigh out of the way does something.
You missed it, so I stepped on the controller again. But he smacked my thigh away and it rolled.
And I got 8 pins. You want to try that again?
No, I don't think it'll work this time.
I gotta get this perfect.
Well, that's not a good way to do it.
Yeah, you're probably right.
That was something else, I gotta say. Alright.
I'm gonna be your soundtrack.
You ready for this?
No.
Putt-putt golf, guys. I'm playing golf.
Okay, don't go yet. I'm gonna pep you up. You can go anytime.
Go! That was a really bad golf.
Ah!
Hey, I got 3 pins, guys. I don't know why you're laughing. 1 pin, guys. I got 4 pins. Why are you laughing at me? I got 4 pins, guys. Well,
Oh, you have 48 points.
yeah, get toasted.
Great!
Jeez, that was a really risky. Throw it to the left. Fire. Well, that was a really nice throw.
No, it wasn't.
It was, until it wasn't. And then... Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? No, I don't think I will.
No, I don't think I will. You want to tell me about her? No, I don't think I will.
Swing your arm while holding B. And really...
Okay. Okay, you press B and then I'll be your swing.
Okay, do it.
Okay,
do it.
Are we ready?
I hope so.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't let go. Hold up. Ready? Set. Just tell me when to let go.
Let's go.
How did that work? That worked way better than it should have.
Honestly, thought you weren't going to get nothing.
Alright, this time I'm going to twist it to the left. And this time I'm going to do a little
Spin move on ya.
Ha!
I guess spinning to the left would spin it to the left, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
I guess that makes sense. Let me eat chocolate.
Okay, I'm gonna play you guys a little song before we
not
go
good.
on. It's called Bitch Lasagna. Call for me. Come get the remote.
Yeehaw, cowboy.
What meme should I play next for my second shot?
Look at me doing this.
What? Dominic. Okay, before you go, what meme should I play next?
Hey!
That's not a meme.
It is now.
I see. I'll do this then. But I gotta see the outcome first.
I jumped during that.
Nice fair.
Alright, you ready for this, guys? I gotta put on my Wii strap for this one. Because we're gonna be rolling! That didn't work at all. Spinning! Wow!
Ow!
Whoa, that's effective.
It's super effective.
You should try that.
Let's get out of my way.
Are you gonna play me a song?
I am.
Okay, you gotta see the outcome first then. Or just keep going. I don't know. Okay, I'm going now. Yeah. Ha! Strike! Hold on. It's your turn, by the way. Hold on. There's something I want to play, and I want to see if I get copyright strike for it. I'll just play something else while you do that. Okay, YouTube, copy strike me for this. Hold on, give me my moment real quick. Oh, it's turned off. Almost done.
What's it?
Okay, YouTube, copy strike me for this.
It's time to give you definite strikes. Ow!
Ah.
Oh, ow! Ooh. Watch me still get a strike. I would laugh so hard. Ow, that. Oh,
Remember
that
that?
hurt.
Remember that one? I forgot who did it, but like
Oh,
someone
dude.
threw that really giant plastic Batman at your eye.
Yes. Oh, my shoulder, dude.
Okay, copy strike me for this.
I can't bowl anymore with that shoulder. Left-handed it is. Yes, I'm right-handed. Yell at me.
Right-handed people are superior. Change my mind.
I mean, the world is kind of worked around them. Did you know that having 5 fingers is the recessive trait, as opposed to having 6?
Huh.
Yeah. So people that have 6 fingers will have 6 fingers running through their family forever. Until, of course, they don't.
Until someone marries someone with 5 fingers.
Pretty much. And then they just have a higher chance of them not doing that. What are you doing, child?
I don't know.
What have you done? How is Whoa!
Wow!
Running into...
Yeah!
That's gonna swerve to the left.
Yeah!
That is a depressing roll. Alrighty, left-handed is.
86.
I have never done this before.
No, you can't go yet, okay? I gotta give you your intro.
Well, I can't let go.
Why?
Because it'll roll, so I can't, like, restart. There's
Okay,
no...
so-
Let's just go.
So. Let go!
Da-da-da-da. Alright, let's try and see if I can left-hand it any better. Hey, I got a record of 3 points above you, John.
That's a groundbreaking record.
You each got a strike. And
I went down!
by 57. How does that make you feel?
Pretty bad to be
Golf! Like the smallest amount of holes in... No. Oh, buddy, you done made a mistake.
Why?
Because I know the tricks to throw in the ball in this game.
Okay, I don't care.
If you hold the buttons.
Yeah, I know that too.
Oh, buddy, you weren't ready for this, though.
Alright.
You ready?
You already said I wasn't, so.
Exactly, that's the point. Stevens.
Michael Stevens. Visa.
Get curveballed. Ow! Batter.
Come here. No, Okay, let's. Ah! Hey!
That's not my intention.
Come on.
Screwball. Splitter.
What? Fine. Be that way.
Ever tried to do a splitter? Those are the fun ones.
That didn't go anywhere.
That's the point. You're supposed to not throw when you... What? I did a splitter and it did a fastball.
No!
Oh, change sides.
Alrighty.
Here. Do 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 do.
I have a small team.
I thought we were changing sides, but whatever. Well, that was a good foul ball right there, my guys. I'm only really good at this game. Oh,
Ha!
that's depressing. Raquel. Well, I can be really good at this game. I told you that already, right?
Yeah,
See, look at how good I am. It bounced twice.
you're doing great.
3 times, and I got a double. I got a double, my guys. I got a double. A double.
Toph seems mad. Or maybe nervous, probably because she's blind.
Here we go, guys.
There's no way he can miss it now!
Foul ball.
I guess there is a
Well,
way.
I guess I can't get a strike now. Stupid foul balls. Hate baseball.
Ha!
Batter out.
Why?
Wait, is his name Y or just nothing?
His name is White.
That's what I thought. I couldn't see because I was screaming Y. I'm so good at this game. What did I tell you guys?
You're like the pro.
Here, I'll play it like the game expects you to play it.
Oh, that might actually.
Well,
do
somehow
something for you.
that got me out again. Guarantee it. Out!
You're good at
Change
this game.
size.
You're good at this game.
Do. If you haven't noticed, I've changed sides whenever it says change sides, by the way. Splitter.
I'm also good at this game, as you can tell.
I did not mean to throw it then. I almost broke the... I popped out the thing. I popped out a battery.
That's very.
Is that Mario?
I think his name is Tantrum.
Well, he should be Mario. Oh, well, you're out. Because when the guy does this... Mike!
Mike Wazowski.
Watch you not get out.
You're an idiot.
Change
Watch
sides.
us both just get nothing.
I'm not even going to see the screen.
Yeah, you're looking at it though. You gotta take it by chance, okay? Don't look at it at all.
Gotta assume how fast you're throwing.
I don't even know how fast I'm throwing it.
Hold up, just throw it once. Okay, I'm ready. Nope, not ready.
You're bad at this. No, you
Just throw it one time normally.
I remember making that meme.
Okay.
It was after I saw the...
Do it.
Do you remember the G-Force hamster movie?
I'm so good at this. I'm the greatest at this game, guys.
You're the greatest baseball player ever. No doubt about it.
Rachel girl. Bowling. Except a fastball. Instead of a fast bowl. Haha.
Ha, you're funny. Ha ha
We have
ha.
93 miles per hour, guys. That's how fast my arm is moving. Bowel fall. That sounds like a very bad pooping hazard. Bowel fall.
It's just your entire large intestine just comes out. At least you won't have any more bowel problems.
I mean, that is true.
You'll probably be
You
dead.
won't
though.
have any bowel at all. I literally did this, and it decided, hey, that's a 92 miles per hour fastball. What if I just spin the controller while you're out?
I don't like you.
I didn't mean to. Makia?
I think it's Bakaya.
I don't know. She's out. You're a tad late. You're a tad late. You struck out as well. We're just bad at this game.
How many times have we gotten changed?
I think it's like 7. Because there's 7 innings, but also I don't... Oh, I got Bill, guys. I'm winning the game. I'm winning it with Bill, though. I love how they always just catch the ball. Camera.
Special K.
Foul ball.
Come on, Special K, you can do this.
Is that Special Christian?
I don't know who it's supposed to be. I got him off the me parade.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Special kid with special needs.
You're
Like me.
dumb.
Oh, it's me, guys. We're me. Putt. That's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to do this.
Okay, I'm going out. That's not what I wanted to do. Yeet.
I hit it still.
I'm just gonna do this for the rest of the game.
Well, that might have been more effective for me, you. I did it.
You are winning.
Barely. Come on, guys, let's go.
You are going to win.
That's the game. Hey, guys, let me point the bat at you. 1X.
I love how it's just nothing changed.
I know, I love that.
How long will we be doing this for?
I do not know.
I'm getting bored, if I'm being honest.
Golf.
Fine, we'll play golf.
Like the smallest rounds of golf. Yeah, we don't care.
I have a Wii remote jacket, I just don't know what happened to it.
You have a jacket of Wii remotes?
Yeah, it's
Beginner,
epic.
3-hole game.
It's epic.
Yoinks!
Right as you swung it, that started happening.
See? I'm magic. You ready? I'm not even playing the game and I'll still hit it. You gotta first not hit it so hard. You're using the driver, and then you gotta press B, I think, and then you'll actually move. Or is it A? You gotta hold it though. Like hold B or A, I don't know which one.
Maybe both.
Yeah, try both. No, like you gotta do it before you swing. Yeah, hold A. And then you can actually swing. It was a little wonky to the left, but hey. It got the job done. It did the driver's job.
Who's the driver?
Vroom vroom, boy! Very wonky to the right. And he seems to coming in.
I had 97 yards to go, and you have less than me, probably.
Seems to be just a tad bit ahead of Juane.
My name's
Juan.
Juane now? Cool.
It's just Juan.
Oh.
Juan seems to have let go of the A button a little too early, and I managed to hit it just a little too hard and flew way past the zone. And as I move in, and as door moves in, he switches to the wedge for whatever reason, and hits it a little too hard yet again, except making it closer to a sand pit. Still a tad bit closer than Juan.
I'm just
Spelled
gonna switch
John.
I don't care. Let's use iron.
Yeah, use the iron. Oh, that was very nice.
Very guys.
Very nice. Heading into the rough. Is it
Again.
rough? Yeah, the rough.
96 yards to go.
Here we go. As he goes in yet again for a very hard hit. Back into the rough.
I'm just switching sides of the rough.
Still got 40 yards to go. Can he hit it just a tad bit less now? Or not at all at this point? You know what? He's probably closer than me now. So I'm able to move. Thank you for letting me do my job.
You don't have a job. Oh.
As everyone gets depressed for to get close to the flag, but doesn't. Juan over here hits it just enough to make it
Ooh.
in. And chip it in. And a double boogie.
What does that mean?
I don't remember. It's a bogey twice, John.
Whoa.
As he moves in, taps it. And it still misses.
You're
Having
bad.
a few things to go in front of him, though. Hits it just a little bit again. And this time makes it in. Very clean putt. I got a bougie.
I got one bogey more than you.
That makes me sad. May Kyle Juke saying, why do I get to go first? I don't want to go first. Give me the wedge, you idiot. Not the wedge, the driver. That's clearly what you use in every case scenario.
Where's the
See,
ball?
stupid game? See? You clearly want to go out of bounds every time.
I'm gonna just stick with the iron. I like making dirt fly.
Poop, 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 poop. Well, you can do that just as easily with the wedge. Or not the wedge, gosh darn it. With the driver.
33 yards to go.
Hey guys, guess how many odds I have? Wedge.
Probably a lot.
Ocean.
You have ocean yards to go.
That's a long ways, my man. How about putter? Into the ocean.
I don't think you're very good at this.
I don't think I am either. At stroke 7, I'm still not even close to the flag. Oh, there we go. Out of bounds yet again. Wait. Hey, I'm not out of bounds yet.
I'm still closer than you.
That's depressing. Oop. Give up. +6.
What does that mean?
Well, guess I'll die. Which means if you don't fail this miserably, like not doing bad, and do good, you get better than I did. Nice on. Or oh, shoot. Oisnon. Oisn.
Oisen, yeah.
Oisn. Put it just a little bit less. And you made it in. Clean putt.
Bogey.
You got a bogey this time. Still not as much as his double boogie. But
What
it'll
is a
do.
double bogey?
It's a bogey +1. Obviously. He hits it quite hard. Makes it swerve a little bit to the right. But he wanted the left. Actually, he wanted the right. Just barely misses the rough. Barely.
335.
Why are we not using the driver? We are over 400 yards away, you idiot game. Hold up. Let me just aim towards the actual spot. That was a little too wobbly. I don't like it. But the game does protect you to do stuff like this. And as you can tell, they have an easy 2-hit pathway.
Okay, I'm kind of in the direction.
Kind of
Just gonna
in
hit
the
it hard
direction.
again.
I'm kind of in the direction, guys. Out of bounds.
Okay, let's try that again.
Try not to hit it uber dard this time. See, that's much better.
It was like the exact same time. It's gonna go out of bounds. again.
Oh, well, that's a problem. How about you head a little to the right and do good this time? Just rotate yourself to the right.
That's to the right.
You gotta, like, shrink it. Like, can you go down? Well, that's not what I wanted to do, but whatever. Yep, totally.
Okay.
I think that the diamond is perfectly in sync. This is not what we want, John. That's the putter.
I'm doing so well.
I agree. Stroke 7. You've had 7 strokes this game? What the heck, John?
I'm not healthy.
I'm not healthy.
I've had 7 strokes. I need to go to the hospital.
It just barely makes it past the out of bounds.
Now I'm much closer than you are.
Yeah, guess what? I'm gonna hit it now, and I'm gonna make it in. I'd be very lucky if I were to do that. too lucky. I made it in the sand pit, so I did make it in the bunker. Defend the bunker!
Defend Scotland.
You're hitting it too hard. See, there you go. Much better. Nice on off.
Fairway. 11 yards
Alright.
to go.
Time to wedge it out of here, my boys.
Fairway. Facebook.
So what
From one sand pit to the other.
I guess that's fair.
I'm half Scottish, boys. Come on now. You can do it, I
It was
believe
a
in
little
you.
too painful, but whatever. Still made it on.
Nice lad.
Edge of green. That's depressing.
I'm depressing.
You just need to kill.
I did not mean to hit it that hard.
Nice one. Watch you get an ouchie on this one.
Come on. Take your time.
Like, hit the ball.
I'm trying to.
Good hit.
I was trying not to do that.
Nice on the fairway. Stroke 11. You've got 11. You can only have 12 before the game issues this as a safety hazard.
Is that an actual thing?
Yes. That is an actual thing. For some reason, me being 7 yards. Well, that's just depressing. I got a whoa, guys. I got a whoa. Stroke 12. This you have to make it in this shot. Oh my gosh, the madman did it. With a +7 to a score. You
That's a
ready?
bad thing, isn't it?
Well, yes, golf is...
Play golf! Stop it! It went straight though.
It did. It did manage to go perfectly straight. That did not manage to go perfectly straight. Stupid hills.
Pretty close though.
No one likes hills and putt-putt golf.
This isn't putt-putt though.
This is putt-putt golf. See, I just putted the ball into the golf.
Whoa. Triple bogey.
Did you even hear me? Did you understand what I said? I putted the golf. What a nice way to end the video, guys. A tie game.
Yeah, that's definitely what we wanted to happen. Run for your life. Otherwise, you're gonna get caught in this loophole of horrible content that nobody ever watches. And,
Except me.
well, yeah, and I don't think you'd like that. So, bye now.